Hey everyone, want to promote your brand using video ads on Microsoft Ads? In this video, we show you how to set up video ads, target the right audience, and make your campaign more effective. Let's get your videos in front of the people who matter. Video ads on Microsoft Bing are short, engaging multimedia formats, both in-stream and upstream. These let us showcase products, services, and brand messages across the Microsoft Audience Network, including MSN, Microsoft Edge, and Outlook. We can target users with Microsoft data and LinkedIn profile targeting. The purpose of video ads in Microsoft Bing is to capture attention and increase brand awareness, showcase products or services, and encourage user actions. They help engage the audience, visually explain our offerings quickly, and reach a wider, more relevant audience across the Microsoft network. Now, let's go through the simple steps so everyone can follow along, even if you're new. First, open your browser and go to www.bing.com. Once you reach the Bing homepage, go to the search bar. Click on the search bar and type Bing Ads. Then press Enter. Now you will see the search results for Bing Ads. Look for Microsoft Advertising and click on Microsoft Advertising. We will be redirected to the Microsoft Advertising homepage. To set up video ads, go to the left side of the page where you see Ads Studio. Click on Ads Studio. Here, you see options for image creation with AI, display templates, and videos. Since we are setting up videos, click on Videos. Here, we can set up our ad videos. We can choose to upload from our computer or enter a URL. To upload a video, click on this option. At the top, choose a file from your computer or enter your URL here. After that, click OK. Now, you are set up with video ads in your Microsoft Bing account. To successfully set up your video ads on Microsoft Bing, remember that with the right targeting and strategy, we can reach our audience effectively and get the most engagement for our business.